Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove Ford Ranger injectors. First, ensure you have all the required tools ready. Safety is paramount, so begin by disconnecting the negative terminal of your vehicle's battery. This prevents any accidental electrical shorts. Next, it's crucial to relieve the fuel system pressure. Consult your Ranger's service manual for the exact procedure, as this step is vital to avoid fuel spray and potential fire hazards during the removal process. With safety precautions in place, let's prepare the engine. Start by removing any engine covers and air intake components that obstruct access to the fuel rail and injectors. Once clear, locate each injector and carefully disconnect its electrical connector. These can sometimes be fragile, so take your time. Finally, gently detach the fuel lines from the fuel rail, being mindful of any residual fuel that might escape. Now, we're ready to remove the injectors themselves. Begin by unbolting the fuel rail from the engine. There are typically a few mounting bolts holding it in place. Once the rail is loose, you can carefully and gently pry the injectors from their seats. They might be a bit stubborn due to O-ring seals. As each injector comes out, immediately inspect its O-rings and seals for any signs of damage or wear, as these will need replacement. After successfully removing the injectors, it's important to clean the injector bores in the cylinder head thoroughly. Use a suitable cleaner and a lint-free cloth to remove any debris. Always replace all O-rings and seals with new ones during reinstallation to ensure a proper seal and prevent leaks. Depending on their condition, you might consider having your old injectors professionally cleaned and tested, or simply replacing them with new or remanufactured units.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.